Okay guys, so let me introduce you to the ingredient that we are going to use. So I have granulated sugar, I have orange, eggs, that is oil, full fat Greek yogurt, we have vanilla, baking powder, and I have flour here, and everything will be down in the description box. Okay guys, so before anything we're going to start by putting the sugar in here, and then I'm going to grate both oranges on the sugar. This will help the orange flavor to really infuse on those sugar, and it will also give it that nice bright orange color when you do this. Instead of zesting them your zest in the butter, it's best you do this. Okay, so I'll be right back. All done now. Can you see all that bright orange color, guys? Ooh, this is gonna look good in the cake. So we are just going to mix this together just to help it mix even more. Can you see how the sugar is already changing color? And then we are going to give this about 3 to 5 minutes to sit around and let all that essential oil from the orange infuse in the sugar, and this will really bring out the orange flavor and the color in the cake. And this one, ooh, don't skip this part guys. Okay, just like that. So we're going to allow this to rest and see you in 3 minutes. Okay guys, while our sugar and orange mix is getting ready, we are going to get the pan ready. Make sure you really put oil everywhere. I love to use a bundt cake for this recipe. It looks really good in it. So yeah, this is the one I'm using. Down flour. Now we shake it around, and then we are going to shake any excess off. Yeah, make sure it's everywhere. Okay, so our pan is ready. Okay, set that aside. Then we are going to prepare the flour. So in the flour here, I have already flour and a little bit of a pinch of salt, and we are just going to add in baking powder and then sieve this. It's very important that you always sieve your flour. Can it help with the texture of your cake. So I'm just going to do this while just to sieve. Okay, so that's our flour done. Now back to this. Okay, so this is ready and it's smelling so gorgeous guys. Okay, so the next step is really pretty easy. So we are going to add in the egg. This is 3 eggs. I always like to beat my egg before, to crack them on the side, because you can always crack in a bad egg. Okay, so in goes the egg, followed by the oil, and then we're just going to use a spatula to make sure everything goes in, no waste. Okay, followed by the yogurt. And everything is at room temperature. So the yogurt, I keep it in the fridge, but I brought it out in the morning because I knew I'm going to do this. So always bring them to room temperature. Okay, followed by vanilla essence. Need to open this. And the vanilla essence, I found out it kind of help any flavor of the cake come out. So we're not going to use a lot, just a little bit to kind of enhance the flavor of this cake. And this is it. So we are mixing our wet ingredient. It's well combined like a custardy thing. It doesn't require much, this cake. Only the prepping, but yeah. So this, hope you can still see properly. Can you see that guys? Can you see that? And as you can see, I grated my orange on this side so you can see the orange you know, peel in there. I love to see that in this cake. Okay, if you don't, then you can use the small part of your grater. Okay, once everything is well combined like this, is very easy, it doesn't take long. Make sure you're not feeling any sugar down. That is ready. Do not be tempted to over mix this, guys. Okay, so we are pouring this in the dry ingredient, in the flour and flour, salt, baking powder mixture. Again, scoop. Make sure everything goes in. All this goodness, we have to make sure we collect everything. Okay, and now we're just going to fold this together. I don't know about you guys, I really love orange flavor or orange infused anything is really kind of my favorite Christmas spice. What is your favorite Christmas spice, guys? Let me know in the comment below. Mine is definitively orange. Chocolate, ooh, chocolate orange, yes. And anything with cinnamon, ginger, clove. Yeah, so when I'm thinking Christmas, yeah, baking, I'm thinking those flavors. Yeah, orange, cinnamon, you know, ginger, clove. Oh yes, those are my favorite. Let me know in the comment below what are your favorite, guys. And if you have watched until this time, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Let's grow our community, guys. So make sure there is no flour in the bottom. This is ready. Don't overbeat this, because if you over mix this, you're gonna end up with a tough cake. Again, I love to have a silicone spatula. See how it scoops everything. Yes, help you to have no waste. And also now just going to make sure everything is yes, perfect. Okay, so putting it now in our prepared tin. I'm actually at my lunch break, guys. Supposed to be eating or going for a walk, but I really wanted to, you know, bring out this content as well, because I really want to grow my YouTube page. So if you are here, know that you are really highly appreciated. Thank you so much. Okay, so that is it. Scoop wherever you can in there, and just going to make sure now I'm putting everything in properly. This is one of the easiest yet delicious cake. Okay, no waste, guys. Everything goes in. Beat to remove any air bubble. And in the oven it goes, and I will show you when it's done. See you later. Okay, guys, so while the cake is baking, we're going to make the orange glaze. So this is just granulated sugar. We are going to use 1 tablespoon. So yeah, just have the spoon measurement, not the soup one. Okay, on the side, and then we're just going to slice this and juice this. So I need 2 tablespoons juice of an orange. Okay, so right back. Okay, all done. Let's measure this. So I need 2 tablespoons. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, give this a mix. So we are going to pour this on the cake once it's come out of the oven. So you do this early so that the sugar can completely absorb, and you have like a liquid glaze without any sugary stuff. And that's it. hot, so while the cake is still hot, guys, so we're just going to brush this all over it. Make sure it goes everywhere. Everything goes everywhere. Leave it to cook. Okay guys, moment of truth. Even when you've baked a cake like 1,000 times, removing it from the pan is, oh gosh, is another reality. So this is what I'm going to do. Place this on first so it has cooled down for about 10 minutes, then just quickly poof. Oh god, should we turn it? Oh lord, please behave for YouTube, guys. Okay, see what I'm talking about? Sticking a little bit, so let's give it a gentle help. Okay, I think we're gonna get, yeah, it's not coming out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to help it out a little bit. Told you guys, this cake thing, even after you've done it how many times, yeah, this happens. So I'm just going to quickly, gently, sorry, just give this is just a spatula. Okay, just give it a little help there because I don't want to break this cake. I know it's gonna be as delicious, but yeah, sometimes with bundt cake, when you did not oil them properly, this happened. But I thought I did, didn't I? We did this together. Okay, that's it. One more try. Oh Lord, sweet Jesus. Oh gosh, always give me a. Okay, I'm just going to leave it there. It will cool upside down because it's not coming out and I don't want to force this. Let's give it a try, guys. A minute. Okay guys, let's try again. Oh sweet Jesus, come on. Okay, now I'm starting to get worried. Seriously, what's wrong with you, cake? See what I tell you, always make sure if you are buttering your cake, always make sure you really butter your pan properly. I don't even want to get down there. Oh yes, yes, all in, all out. Oh god, yeah. So I'm just going to remove all this floury oil stuff before we serve it, but here it is, it's out. Oh gosh, it's out and it's okay. Nothing, nowhere broken. We good. Okay guys, I'm afraid I'm going to speak over now because the kids were back from school and the house was back to its vibrant, noisy self. So yeah, I'm drizzling the cake with some chocolate sauce, and this chocolate sauce is also orange flavored chocolate sauce. My favorite for this time of the year, and this is my favorite brand too. And no, this is not a sponsored video, okay? You can cover this cake with whatever you like chocolate ganache, whipped cream, or even plain, some dust of icing sugar. It's your cake, okay? So now the moment of truth. Ooh, this cake, at this stage my boys were running, they couldn't wait to see and have some. Oh yes guys, I film and edit with my phone. Excuse the quality, but thank you so much for being part of my growth. Can you see that cake, guys? Oh my goodness. Please really try this cake so you can understand what I'm talking about, okay? Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're inspired to try it. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye bye.